I'm inside the little reservation of Scǎrişoara Ice Cave near the community of Garda de Sus in the southern part of the Apusun Mountains in Apusun Nature Park, which is in Transylvania, Romania. So the famous thing about this cave is the ice. This is a glacier inside of a cave. It is estimated to be the largest in the world. Those estimates are somewhat suspect because it's challenging to measure the entire ice volume. The estimate is about 122,000 cubic meters of ice. I'm standing at the base of an ice wall that's approximately 15 meters high. The top of that ice wall is the tourist part of the main cave at the base of a 55-meter shaft. There are various groups in here as part of the International Workshop on Ice Caves. We are learning about work that Aurel Pursu has done as part of the Romanian Academy. And in addition to his work, there are groups, you can hear a drill in the background. They're taking auger holes into the ice at various elevations, and it's a group from Spain this time that's doing that work, and they're looking for ancient DNA. The age of this ice, of course, varies according to depth. There is a log in the background that you can see, and that's been measured at about an age of 900 years. But Aurel, as part of his work, took ice cores from the center of the main ice block in the Great Hall and measured an age of 10,500 years, which puts it in the time frame of the Younger Dryas, just before the onset of the Holocene. There is another group here today that yesterday did ground penetrating radar across the surface of the main hall to help see if they could get reflectors to get a better estimate on the depth of the ice block across the main hall. That had been done before as a small international cooperation grant between the University of South Florida and the Emil Rakovița Institute of Speleology in Cluj. It's relatively challenging to get those measurements because of various interferences, such as logs within the ice that create parabolic reflectors in the signal. So they're trying again to see if they can get a better estimate. That's just two examples of projects that are occurring in here as part of this workshop, but this is one of the most studied ice caves in the world. And just for reference, for people that know me, this is an ice cave, which is ice inside of a cave, rather than a cave that is formed within ice, such as on a glacier, or the work that I do with others that are glacial-volcanic caves that is from geothermal heat melting the ice from below. So I'll splice in a few video clips that I'll scatter throughout here and to show you a bit of what other people are doing. But thank you for listening, and we'll talk more later.